Okay, so before you open the meat and start dry aging it, what did you do with the packaging?
Okay, so first we need to make sure that the packaging is very clean. It's being very clean is very important. I'm wearing gloves. Lily's very excited. Um, and we washed the bag pretty thoroughly on the outside with soap, water, several times, and we rinsed it several times. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the bag open. We're gonna try to keep everything wet, the picanha wet. It's very important to keep the meat wet so it sticks to this bag, and that way all the bad stuff will go out and no bad stuff will come in.
All right.
So that's what
Let's do it.
I'm just making sure that there's contact with the bag and put this here. And then we're like this. Smells good. If we're ready for the vacuum sealer, we're gonna move this out. All right, so we're putting the fabric base here. All right, so that was the first time. We're gonna do it again. Gotta make sure that we get as much air possible out, but we're not gonna get all of it out. After it's done, okay. So now we're gonna get some butcher's twine, and because what's gonna happen with this is gonna lose a lot of moisture. That's the whole point of dry aging, is that the moisture is gonna come out and the flavor is gonna be concentrated. So what's gonna happen is a lot of this moisture is gonna come out. Now for bigger cuts, for whole pieces of meat, what could happen is well, for bigger cuts, the shape won't really lose its integrity. But for this cut, sometimes it can. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap it with butcher's twine to make sure that the meat stays intact in terms of its shape. So that way we don't have like really, really, really thin pieces. All right. So what we're gonna do to wrap it is we're gonna try to wrap it how I want it cut.
Can you pass me the scissors?
Yeah. And we're gonna try to have it cut 2 fingers thick on each piece. That's generally the recommendation. Gotta put it on a cooling rack of some kind so that the air can circulate through. That way one part's not getting any drier than the other.
What do we do with this? We just leave it like that?
Just leave it like that.
Okay.
And a dry aged.